What's good, people? Today I'll be showing you how you can make Metro Boomin type beats from scratch. There are many styles of Metro Boomin, but the one that I personally like the most is represented in such songs as Metro Spider, Superhero, the superhero movie vibe, if you know what I mean. The go-to VST, as you could have guessed, is Contact. To create the superhero movie vibe, we need good quality orchestra sounds. My go-to Contact expansions are Orchestra 2 Complete, very good quality orchestra sounds. Grand Tape Pass to the Future piano, in my opinion, is the best piano for dark melodies. Spitfire Solo Violin, the only violin you ever need. And perhaps my favorite plugin for these kind of melodies is Lyrical Phrases, ideal dark clean vocals. Let's break down the first melody. My vision for creating these melodies is that you need to create as much vibe as possible with as little notes as possible. Metro doesn't go hard with counter melodies, but the atmosphere in his beats is always on point. For the main melody I used organ. Music theory behind Metro Boomin's most common chord progression is that you create two minor chords and you pitch the middle note of the second chord one note down. As you can see here, I inverted the middle notes. And also, as you can see, it is a little bit different, but it still creates the tension we're looking for. Then I added this roll and pitched the whole thing 5 notes down. Here's what it sounds like. Next thing I added was choir from Orchestra 2. To fill up the higher frequencies is just the same chords as the organ. Next thing I added is the brass from Orchestra 2. To fill up the lower frequencies of the melody and for more aggressive vibe to it. It's also okay to use the piano here, but the brass, like I said, sounds more aggressive. The brass just follows the root notes of the melody. Next thing is the vocals. Like I said earlier, my go-to vocals are Lyrical Phrases. Perfect dark vocals in my opinion. And for the final thing, I also added the glockenspiel from Orchestra 2 for the rhythm. The glockenspiel also follows the ghost notes of the melody. Now I'm gonna cook up the beat from scratch, using every tip that I mentioned earlier. Thank you for watching to this moment. Let me know what you think about this beat in the comments and see you in the next one.